You want precise edits. You want control. Caimera gives you both. Here's how it works. Start with any generation you want to edit. Tap Edit Image at the bottom. Then click the squiggly icon. That's your pen tool. Now just draw over the area you want to change. This tells Caimera exactly where to focus. Then type what you want. That's literally it. Draw, describe, done. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. Swap an object. Say you want to change a bag. Circle it. Type something like, replace with a red leather handbag. Only the area you drew over changes. Everything else, untouched. Add text. You've got two ways to do this. 1. Draw the actual text with the doodle tool. Just write it out where you want it to show up. 2. Mark the area and type it in the prompt. So you'd mark near the bottom and type something like, add summer collection in bold white font. Mark another spot. Add 50% off in a large red font. Draw a little banner shape. Add new arrival in modern black font. The text shows up right where you marked it. Style a product. You can shape products two ways too. Draw the shape yourself, like a triangle for a scarf or a rough outline for a hat or sunglasses. Or just mark the area and describe it. Add black sunglasses. Add a silk scarf. Both work. Add props. Same idea. Draw a circle, type, add a beach ball. Sketch out a chair shape, type, add a wooden chair. Or skip the drawing and just mark the spot and describe what goes there. Remove stuff. Want something gone? Mark it. Type, remove this object. Caimera clears just that section and fills it in cleanly. Add atmosphere. You can layer in mood and environment the same way. Draw behind the model. Add soft sunlight flare. Draw near the background. Add graffiti. Wherever you draw is where the change lands. Use a reference image. This one's really cool. Upload a reference image, mark where you want it placed, and describe what to do. Draw on the wrist, upload a watch photo. Place this watch on the wrist. Draw beside the model, upload sunglasses. Add these sunglasses in the model's hand. Draw on a table, upload a perfume bottle. Place this perfume bottle on the table. Every single edit stays inside the area you define. You pick what changes and exactly where it goes. That's precision editing inside Caimera. Try it on your next generation. Drop your results in the comments, and subscribe if you want more of these.